It's time for another challenge. 30-day crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, the future favors the brave, and subscribe to this channel. Crypto.com has a lot of things to like about it. Crypto Earn, you have the Crypto.com NFT, and when you see things like this, UFC, wearing the Crypto.com information, the logo's everywhere. And when you see things like this, Crypto.com Arena, they just signed a 20-year partnership with the Lakers and the LA Kings downtown arena. It's a famous arena, in my opinion. And when you see things like this, mainstream media talking about Crypto.com, this is something to definitely look into more by doing your research. So I'm going to go ahead and start a 30-day challenge. Who's with me buying Crypto.com for 30 straight days? Now, this is the format. This is the spreadsheet and the captain spreadsheet. Today is November 21st, and we're going to buy it all the way down to December 20th because this is supposed to be released on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. So I'm going to buy it all the way down to that point right before Christmas Day where it gets more official on the arena. So we're going to buy this on Coinbase.com. And here's the thing about this. Only invest as much you can, that you're willing to lose or you can't. So you can do $5. Heck, I think you can do $10. But on this one, we're going to go ahead and start up with $100 on Crypto.com. We're going to put all the information right in the captain spreadsheet. So prime example right now, if I go here, is 73 cents. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to do $100 and I'm going to preview it. And so I'm going to get 131 tokens. So the price of it is 73 cents. And we're going to only get 131 tokens. 131 tokens, just like that. I'm going to buy now. And then I'm going to take the information right from Coinbase.com and I'm going to put it in the captain spreadsheet. Very simple and very easy. Man, this is such great news when you see things like this. Walking out champions, Octagon, UFC. This is unbelievable. So then I'm going to go to the view transactions. And so I'm going to view the transaction of that actually purchase, and I'm going to put that information in here. So this is my first time buying it on Coinbase.com. So let's say the fees is $3.84. So I'm going to put that in there. Wow, the fees are so low. And then if I go to $96.16, that's how much I actually paid for Crypto.com. And day one is in the books, everybody. And let me go ahead and change this to 73 cents. And day one's in the books. You have the total right here. 30-day buying challenge is 73 cents. So it's a little bit higher. And all this will continue to get filled up. So this is the first day of the challenge. Man, I can't wait for this to happen. Wow, they're talking about it. And of course, there's information, Crypto.com. I'll have the link in the description. But you can do your homework because they've got the wallet, the earn, the swap, and more coming up. The 30-day challenge is in the book. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Who's with me? If you want to go ahead and join, click on the link below. I do have the Coinbase link where you can go ahead and join. Get your Crypto.com. But make sure you do your research. Make sure this is right for you. This is not financial advice. This is just a strategy. I'll see you on the next video.